हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फॉर यूजीसी नेट कॉमर्स पेपर 2। आज के लिए पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच इंस्टीट्यूशन फैसिलिटेट्स ग्लोबल ट्रेड फाइनेंसिंग। ऑप्शंस हैं आईएमएफ, डब्ल्यूटीओ, वर्ल्ड बैंक और एक्सिम बैंक। Correct answer is option D, that is Exim Bank. It provides export-import financing for international trade. So correct answer option D, that is Exim Bank. Next question, balance of payment includes options हैं only visible items, only invisible items, visible and invisible items और capital receipts only. Correct answer है option C, that is visible and invisible items, because balance of payment records all visible as well as invisible transactions. Depreciation is a process of valuation, allocation, amortization or assessment. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज एलोकेशन, बिकॉज डेप्रिसिएशन जब हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं सो एक्चुअली व्हाट आर वी डूइंग, वी आर एलोकेटिंग द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ द एसेट ओवर इट्स यूजफुल लाइफ. सो डेप्रिसिएशन इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ एलोकेशन. Which of the following is not a component of the business environment? Options हमारे पास हैं economic environment, political environment, technological environment और accounting standards. Correct answer option D, that is accounting standards. Which of the following is not an accounting assumption? Options हैं going concern, consistency, dual aspect और materiality. Correct answer option D, that is materiality, because it is a convention, it is not an accounting assumption. ये एक convention है but not an assumption. Vouching in auditing means options are checking accounts, verifying entries with evidence, evaluating performance और assessing assets. Correct answer है option B, क्योंकि vouching का मतलब होता है verifying all the entries with evidence. Vouching में हम ensure करते हैं that the transactions जो भी record की गई हैं they have valid documentary evidence. Marginal cost curve intersects average cost curve at, options are minimum point of average cost, maximum point of average cost, left of average cost minimum point और right of average cost minimum point. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज मिनिमम पॉइंट ऑफ एवरेज कॉस्ट. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कर्व कट करता है एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व को एट इट्स मिनिमम पॉइंट. सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. इफ प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर देन 1, डिमांड इज, ऑप्शंस आर इनइलास्टिक, इलास्टिक, परफेक्टली इलास्टिक और परफेक्टली inelastic. So अगर elasticity of demand is greater than 1, that means demand is option B, elastic. Elastic demand का मतलब होता है customers are responding more than proportionate change in price. मतलब कि जो demand में change होगा that will be more than change in price. Only then we can say price elasticity of demand is greater than 1, that means demand is elastic. In monopolistic competition, firms sell, options are homogeneous products, differentiated products, unique products और government controlled products. Monopolistic competition के केस में firms sell, option B, that is differentiated products. Cost of equity using dividend growth model is, यहाँ पर हमें formulas given है, हमें correct formula बताना है to calculate cost of equity using dividend growth मॉडल. फॉर्मूलेस का पता होना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज शॉर्ट न्यूमेरिकल्स भी पूछे जाते हैं इन यूजीसी नेट कॉमर्स पेपर 2. यहां पर करेक्ट फॉर्मूला है ऑप्शन ए. इन कैपिटल बजटिंग एनपीवी assumes, options are discount rate equals risk free rate, cash flows are reinvested at cost of capital, IRR is equal to NPV और cash inflows are equal to cash outflows. So हम क्या assume करते हैं, NPV क्या assume करता है, it assumes option B, cash flows are reinvested at cost of capital. Optimum capital structure is where, options are EPS, that is earning per share is minimum, cost of capital is minimum, debt is maximum और equity is minimum. So optimum capital structure या फिर optimal capital structure भी लिखा होता है बहुत जगह पर, वो क्या होता है, at a point where your cost of capital is minimum. Optimal capital structure वो mix होता है debt and equity का, जहां पर cost cost of capital minimum होती है. So optimum or optimal capital structure is where cost of capital is minimum, that is option B. Median is preferred over mean when options are data are normal, data are skewed, data are uniform, or sample is small. Correct answer option B. In hypothesis testing, type 1 error occurs when options are null hypothesis is rejected when true, null hypothesis is accepted when false, alternative hypothesis is false, or none of these. Correct answer option A. Type 1 error occurs when null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. Coefficient of correlation ranges between options है -1 to +1, 0 to +1, 0 to infinity, और -infinity to +infinity. Correct answer है option A. Coefficient of correlation ranges between -1 to +1. Current ratio 2:1, current liabilities 50,000, find current assets. So current ratio का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? current assets by current liabilities. current assets हमें given नहीं है, वो हमने x assume कर लिया. current liabilities 50,000. We have to find out the value of current assets. So simply आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पर cross multiplication. 50,000 into 2 will be the value of x, that is our current assets. So 50,000 into 2 is 1 lakh rupees, that is option C is the value of your current assets. The degree of operating leverage is, यहाँ पर हमें again formula बताना है degree of operating leverage का. हमें यहाँ पर options given है. Correct answer is option D, that is contribution by EBIT. Working capital is fixed assets minus current liabilities, current assets minus current liabilities, total assets minus current liabilities, or is it fixed assets plus current assets? Correct answer option B, that is current assets minus current liabilities. यहाँ पर एक थोड़ा सा difficult या फिर twisted question आ सकता है where they might ask you net working capital. Net working capital का फॉर्मूला होता है current assets minus current liabilities, but बहुत बार एग्जाम में आपसे पूछ लेते हैं what is gross working capital. So gross working capital क्या होता है? It is equal to current assets of the firm. That means total जो current assets होते हैं firm के, that is also known as gross working capital. According to Henry Fayol, the principle of scalar chain refers to options are division of work among employees, clear line of authority from top to bottom, authority must be equal to responsibility, or team spirit among workers. Correct answer है option B, that is clear line of authority from top to bottom. Last question for today's video. Job enrichment primarily aims to, options are reduce employee turnover, increase employee responsibility and autonomy, increase wages, or enforce discipline. So job enrichment का मतलब होता है increase employees responsibility and autonomy. That means improving motivation by adding meaningful tasks and responsibility. So correct answer option B. Tell me in the comment section how much marks did you score in today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video that will be posted 7 PM tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.